Hi everyone, my name is Matt Kruczek and welcome to my course Getting Started with Building Bots with Microsoft's Bot Framework v4. The notion of a chatbot has been around for decades, but it hasn't been until recently that the technology has caught up with the buzz enough to produce some solid frameworks from the major players in the market. In this course, we're going to learn about one of those frameworks currently being offered by Microsoft entitled the Microsoft Bot Framework. Some of the major topics we will cover include learning about the basic features of the bot framework, discovering how to enhance your bots with things like dialogues and conversation state, learning how to integrate Microsoft's natural language processing framework into your bot, and finally, how to deploy a bot to Azure and Facebook Messenger. Now, by the end of this course, you'll know how to get started building a basic bot, how to enhance it with some of the more advanced features, and finally, how to deploy it out to one or more channels. Before beginning this course, you should have some basic knowledge of C# and API endpoints, as well as to be able to navigate your way around the Visual Studio IDE. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the ins and outs of the Microsoft Bot Framework with the Getting Started with Building Bots with Microsoft's Bot Framework version 4 course at Pluralsight.